Good evening. Good evening, Sajal. Now, let me take you one more independent chapter like arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, we also call it as AP, and it is a part of algebra. Algebra will come for 20 marks. So in this 20 marks there are 4 chapters. One is polynomials, the other one is quadratic equations, the other one is linear equations and 2 variables, linear equations in 2 variables, and arithmetic progression. So 4 chapters are there. Maybe this 20 marks may be divided equally, or maybe quadratic equation more, whatever. Definitely AP will have 4 to 6 marks. AP will have 4 to 6 marks. Okay? Anand, good evening. So now, in this 20 marks, I am going to teach you AP and I am going to teach you linear equations. Not every question, few questions I am going to teach. So because AP is very easy chapter and interesting chapter, small chapter, AP is small chapter, important chapter, and you will definitely get between 4 to 6 marks in this AP, arithmetic progression. And any type of student, any level of student, weak student, topper, everybody, it is easy. So let me explain what is arithmetic progression. I will give you an example. Arithmetic progression, it is a sequence of numbers. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. So 2, 5, 8, 11, they are the sequence of numbers, okay, by adding a fixed number 3. So let me give one more example, okay, 10, 8, 10 minus 2, 8, minus 2, 6, minus 2, 4, and go on. So here also a fixed term, fixed number is getting subtracted. Okay. Hi Rigved. So whether it is addition of a number or addition of a fixed number or subtraction of a fixed number, when a progression, a sequence of numbers, we are getting a sequence of numbers are getting by adding or subtracting a fixed number, we call it as a AP. This is simply an example. Okay. So this fixed number 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 3, 3. That means the preceding term, next term minus previous term, 8 minus 5, 11 minus 8, 3. Okay, this fixed term we call it as common difference. Common difference. Why common difference? We are subtracting from second term minus first term or third term minus second term, any 2 consecutive terms we are subtracting, so we are getting this. So general formula, general arithmetic progression, we usually take A as the first term. Here 2 is the first term, 10 is the first term, and here A is the first term. And here the fixed number is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So here the fixed number, let us have D. So then second term will be A plus D. Third term will be A plus 2D. That means we are adding a D for every term to get the next term. So D we call it as a common difference D. So A plus 2D. The next one is A plus 3D. next a plus 40 and so on. So this is a general arithmetic progression, right? So in this we call, you should know the numbers. A we call it as a first term, and D we call it as a common difference. Okay. So how do you get common difference? Second term minus first term. A plus D minus A. A will get cancelled. D. So common difference, we can have a second term minus first term. You can use this like a formula. In MCQ questions or in 1 mark questions, he will be giving you an AP. Okay. X plus 7, x plus 10 and so on. Find common difference. So very simple. So you should know the formula to find out the common difference. So second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Okay. Now here usually nth term. What is nth term here? Nth term means in the place of n we can put any number. If you put 1 first term, if you put in the place of n second 2, it will become second term. In the place of n, if you write 3, it will become third term. In the place of n, if you write 100, we can say 100th term. Now here 2, 5, 8, only 4 terms are there. So in this, for example, find 50th term. How do you find out the 50th term? So for example, in this find 100th term. How are you going to find out 100th term? You cannot write all these 4 numbers, so we need a formula. So 50th term, finding nth term, 50th term or 100th term or second term, 20th term, we will have a formula. So an, that means nth term, is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula you have to remember. You have to remember, this is the formula. Please remember this. Okay. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So using this formula, you can find out a is first term, d is second term, common difference, and n is equal to nth term. Now, for example, let us find out the example 1. Example 1. I am doing this example. This example I am doing. I am doing example 2. So then, what is a here? A is 2. And what is common difference? 3. And which term we have to find out? 50th term find out. So that means n is equal to 50. So now you have to write an formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. So in the place of n, let us write 50. That means we are finding out 50th term. So a value is 2, you write 2 here. N minus 1, 50 minus 1 into d is 3. So then how much you will be getting? So 2 into 49 into 3. So 2 plus 147. 149 is the 50th term. So 50th term is equal to. So this is one of the area you have to understand. That means first concept in this is finding nth term. That means this is the first formula. Okay, I will rub it out. I will rub it. So now AP first formula rule 1 is AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. This is first rule. And rule 2, this rule 1 first formula is to find out nth term, like 20th term, just now we have done. Rule 2, sum of n terms, we call it as Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So only these two formulas are there. The entire chapter falls on only on these two formulas. Okay, so that is why this chapter is very easy, because no more formulas are there, only two formulas are there. For example, I will be giving you one progression 3, 5, 7 and so on. This is an AP. This is AP, arithmetic progression. Now in this first question you maybe find 30th term. That means you have to use AN formula. Second, find sum of first 20 terms. That means 3, 5 up to 20 terms you have to write all these terms. So now you have to use this using Sn formula, sum of n terms formula. If you are having any doubts, you can put it in the message chat box, so that I can read your chats and I can respond. So this is the thing. Now how to do from this? In both the formulas, A is there, N is there, D. Only 3 letters are there, 3 unknowns. So from this, A is equal to 3. And how do you get 3? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now let us do first question. AN, you have to find out the 30th term. That means A30 you have to find out. So formula I am not writing. Formula I will write here A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? 3. N minus 1 is 30 minus 1 29 into D is 2. So 3 plus 58, which is equal to 61. So this is now how do you find out sum of 20 terms? Sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms is S20. Okay, the formula I have written here, n by 2. N is 20. This is n. N by 2, 20 by 2. 2a, 2 into a is 3. Plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 20 minus 1. Into d is 2. So in this, very important thing is writing the correct formula and putting the exact values. That is only the thing. Almost everybody is good in this, so there is no problem. So 10 into 2 3 is 6 plus 19 into 2, 38. So 38 plus 6, 44. It is equal to 440. That means sum of first 20 terms is equal to 442. So in the entire arithmetic progressions, you will be having only two formulas. That means you have to find out nth term. Okay, you have to find out nth term and sum of n terms and nth term. These two are very important things. Okay, so now these are first level problems. That means direct problems. Now I am going to teach you second level problems tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Please subscribe this channel so that you will get notification whenever I have time. I will be giving you the class. So please subscribe this channel so that you will get a notification. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.